do you think, YouTubers? Bonus video day? Well, here we go. Gonna break out the old John Deere 407 gyro mower. I think I've told you in the past, it's probably a precursor to the 709 model that Deere sold. Of course, the main difference to me is this height distance is a lot taller on the 407, and I think the gearbox is a different type of gearbox and all that. But anyway, we're gonna mow some horse lot. There's a lot of broadleaf weeds coming up and stuff that the wife's dang horse just does not appreciate. So we're gonna go mow it off. So give me a few minutes on my end, and we'll take the 806 mower here, and we'll go a little short snippet of ride along. So hang on. Okay, we'll do an ending. Yep, 806 farm all with the John Deere 407 gyro mower. Didn't do too bad a job. Knocked all that down real nice and neat. Here in the middle of our little township here. All for this devil right here. A little extra for you. For those of you that are the equestrians, the horse lovers, here he is. The wife's dang horse, aka Smokey. Yep. All the hay and the horse lot mowing crap, all for this beast here. But anyway, there you go. There's your short video of the whole mess. Everything mowed up. You got to hear the 806 scream across the little horse lot while mowed and all that. So that being said, hey, thanks for watching. I appreciate you as always, and I'll catch you on the next one.